Welcome to my introduction to Kahoot, the game-based learning and trivia platform for the classroom. Kahoot is free for teachers and it's a great way to get your students excited about learning. Games can be created for the purpose of introducing new topics, reviewing content, or simply building community within your classroom. Kahoot allows you to use videos, images, and diagrams to increase student engagement and make it appropriate for all grade levels. If you're new to Kahoot, you'll want to go ahead and sign up. It will give you the option to sign up as a teacher or as a student. Students do not need an account to play the games. They'll access a code to enter the game, but if they want to create their own accounts, they would need their own Kahoots. They would need to sign up. I have my account, so let's jump over there. One of the greatest things about Kahoot is the massive library of Kahoots that have already been created. So before you create your own, you want to check to make sure there isn't already one out there that serves the purpose. So if I'm doing a lesson on antonyms, I simply do a search and I can see every Kahoot that's been created for antonyms. Let's say that I find this one to meet my needs and I want to keep a copy in my library of Kahoots, so I'm going to make a duplicate of it. That only not keeps it accessible to me, but it allows me to edit it. So if it's not exactly what I need, I can edit a few of the questions as needed. Once it's there, I can choose to play it, which allows students to sign in as one-on-one, as individual players, or as a team. The team creates a lot of excitement and helps to build collaboration among your students. I can also set a challenge. This is a great way to assign a Kahoot as homework and to get students motivated to do things outside of the classroom. There is an upgrade for Kahoot that allows you to collaborate among your fellow teachers at your school and provides a few other benefits. If that's something you're interested in, you can look into the upgrading now. If you want to create your own Kahoot, you simply click on Create, and you're allowed to create a quiz, a jumble, a discussion, or a survey. So let's say we want to create a quiz. You'll have to give it a title. So let's say I want to do one on main idea. And just do a simple description for this purpose. You can determine who it's visible to, the language, the audience. We'll keep it to my school. You can add an image if you'd like, credit any resources you used, or include a YouTube video to show as students log in. Then you go to add your questions. If you already have your questions in a spreadsheet, you can simply import them from a spreadsheet. If not, add your questions. Again, a question. You select the time limit, whether or not points are awarded, your answers, images, as well as YouTube videos for the students to view for each question. And again, you can credit your resources. Very simple, very easy to create these Kahoots. Go ahead and exit out of this. Go back to my main page. When you've started using your Kahoots, another great thing is you can create reports. So if you want to see reports on how students have answered questions, their responses to the questions, this is a great place to go. You simply download the report. There are also some advanced reports that come with the upgrade if that's something you're interested in. All in all, it's a great way to get students engaged. They enjoy it, they have fun, they work as a team, and it's very easy and simple to use. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and you'll give it a try. Thank you for your time.